Hey guys, I'm Wilson. I'm here today to get some ideas for my home office from Dream Builder Eddie. Let's go and see what new products he has. Hi Eddie. Hi Wilson.
Hello Wilson, welcome to our office. What can I help you?
I'd like to get some lights for my home office. Last week, I put a kit of white hexagon lights for my garage. It looks great, I love it. And do you have any other cool lights to recommend?
Yes, sure. We have many different types of lights. I will recommend you use the RGB lights for your home office. It's very popular in the gym, in the bar, in the club, and the gaming rooms.
Whoa, the RGB light looks amazing. Can you introduce it for me?
No problem. Our RGB lights has 7 single colors and 9 levels of dimming and 6 speed adjustments. And your total has 358 different modes.
Awesome! That's really cool. I can't wait to get one kit for my home office.
Great!
Light up your workshop.
Find some star.